Full-size truck guys, listen up because we're talking fender flares. We've got some new color match options from EGR. I'm here with Robert Murgado. Now, you guys do it a little bit differently. We'll get to the flares themselves in a second. I want to hear about your manufacturing process.
So we've got 1,200 employees worldwide. We're a big global company. We do a lot of OE work. Part of our growth and our success in a global marketplace has been, we've actually acquired 3 giant extrusion machines. And so we manufacture the plastic, the raw materials we use to make our products, our fender flares, our window visors, our hood shields. We manufacture the raw materials in Australia. And that material is then palletized and containered over to Southern California, where we're cutting, forming, trimming, molding the product. So we're a very vertically integrated company. And so part of the vertical integration process, we've got down even to the hardware that we manufacture in Australia, so we actually own a hardware company there as well.
The flares we're looking at here are really clean bolt-on solutions. Tell me about the vehicles they're available for.
So we have a wide range of truck applications. So we go, on Chevy we go from 88 up. We do all the late model stuff. We try and hit as many vehicles as we possibly can. We do have a lot of applications that we have done that nobody else has. For example, the Colorado and the Canyon and other ones like that. So.
Okay, what are we looking at here that's new for SEMA?
So what's new, earlier this year we launched a color match program into the aftermarket. So we're trying to hit as many of the colors as possible, but most of the high movers. Our color match flares come with bolt and extrusion pre-installed on them, and so that's a big value that saves you about an hour and a half of labor on them. So.
Yeah, that's huge. You can also save a few bucks in addition to saving labor, because I know value is a big part of what EGR is focused on.
That's correct. We're about $250 cheaper than any of our competitors out there, and so it's definitely made quite a splash in the market when we released them.
As far as installation and fitment, is that all included in the kit? Are there other parts to buy? What does that look like?
Everything that you need is included in with the purchase. It's 100% bolt-on installation. We'll never have you drill into any of your vehicle into any of our products, and so that's one of the big things that we think about and engineer. And a lot of our experience in the OE we've kind of brought into the aftermarket when it comes to engineering things like that.
You guys trim the flares a little bit differently than the other guys too.
That's correct, yeah. So we use full CNC robotic trimming when we trim our flares. Why that's important is because this trim line is going to sit up against the body styling of the vehicle, so the lines against the vehicle. And if you have something that's even slightly off, it's going to show a big gapping on there. And that's one great thing about our products is that you won't have to worry about any of that stuff. Right,
you're going to have a big gap, or you might have rub spots, and neither of those is good.
That's correct, yeah. So with the full CNC robotic trimming, you'll never have to worry about any of that stuff.
So you're cutting the flares with robots, but you're also manufacturing domestically now. Those robots are here in the U.S.
That's correct. About 4 years ago, we brought over our entire manufacturing from Australia, and so we started manufacturing the products here in the States. It's been really good because we've added quite a few jobs to the U.S. economy by doing that, which we love. But we can also supply our customers when they order something, we can quickly jump on it and supply them much quicker than we used to be able to. So.
Right, and those weird things like shipping delays or floods aren't going to get in the way as much if it's actually manufactured here.
That's correct, yes.
All right, so Robert, as you guys are rolling out fitment for new models and new applications, where can folks go online to check out the info?
EGRUSA.com. There's also a dealer sign up that they should be able to sign up there. I'd love to have everybody sign up there.
All right, EGRUSA.com. That's where we'll head. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because there's a lot more of this stuff coming your way from SEMA.